Hello everyone. So very glad to be part of this beautiful, unique festival, and I'm absolutely, very thankful to all these great people who invited us, Mr. Vinod especially. And I want this festival to happen in every other cities, like in all the major cities, so that younger generation should get more and more exposed to our beautiful art. Other than the just movies and movie music, individual music has to be supported and encouraged and given us such a beautiful platform like this. So I wish you all the very best. Mumbai Fest, you rock.
What about your performance?
Yes, we performed saxophone fusion music. I played the saxophone and I had my fusion artist
your
along with me.
experience in
Yeah, it was
Mumbai Fest?
very wonderful and absolute pleasure performing such a wonderful platform. Yes, thank you.
Avinash, congratulations for a wonderful footfall and success of the Mumbai Fest. What do you have to say about the third day and the finale of Mumbai Fest?
So I would like to firstly thank all the Mumbaikars. You have proved it that there is a Mumbai in me, and today we are standing on the third day, the final day of the Mumbai Festival, the Mumbai Fest. What an amazing turnover! What an amazing performances we had. Kiko is just now doing a workshop for the Mumbaikars. We're having a Agni band performing today, and what an huge success. Would like to personally thank all of you for making this the Mumbai Fest one of the huge success in the history. We are looking forward to carry this festival across the globe and looking forward for the next event to happen soon next year. Thank you so much.
Avinash, talking about taking it globally, this is the first festival where we already have a demand to take it overseas already. What do you have to say about the spirit of the Mumbaikars to already, anticipate and take it all over? And you're a captain yourself, you've traveled the world. What do you have to say on that?
So that's what. Whenever I've been traveling as a pilot across the world, and the spirit of Mumbai is already spreading. People are already inviting us to the different parts of the world, to the South Africa, to Canada, to London, and to New York. In fact, people are approaching us from across India, in Jaipur, and in Surat also. So where I could be proudly announcing this, that there is a Mumbai in me, and all the people are loving the spirit of Mumbai.
Avinash, to add, what are the highlights of Mumbai Fest and what do we get to see next year if you're planning it in Mumbai again?
So the theme is the seven islands. That's what the Mumbai is all about, and the spirit of Mumbai. We are planning to come with more of surprises for the next session, the next time, which let it be the surprise.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
देखा है तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
पहली बात तो मुझे आइडिया मुंबई फेस्ट का बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि मुंबई जो अच्छा खासा बड़ा शहर है, मुंबई के कोने कोने में जो चीज़ें हैं, जो मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं, स्टैचूज़ हैं, खाने हैं अलग अलग जगहों के, वो सारे के सारे यहाँ पर एक फेस्ट में वो कलेक्ट करके प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। ये अपने आप में बड़ी ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है। मैं मुंबई में पला बड़ा हूँ, इसके लिए मैं साउथ बॉम्बे बहुत जाया करता था पहले, लेकिन अब वक्त के साथ जब मेरी शूटिंग सारी की सारी सबर्ब्स में होती हैं, साउथ बॉम्बे जाना बहुत कम होता है। ये फेस्ट में कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो कुछ साउथ का है, कुछ ये है, कुछ वो है, तो देख के बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि पूरा मुंबई इस तरह कवर किया जा रहा है। और बाकी खाना तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पर जगह जगह का खाना है, अलग अलग टाइप का खाना है। वो मेरे शरीर देख के आपको पता चली गया होगा कि वो मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है।
3 दिन का ये फेस्टिवल था, 26 जनवरी से स्टार्ट हुआ है। तब से लेके अब तक आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? बाइक रेसिंग हुई, बहुत विंटेज कारें और बाइक्स आई थी।
वो हाँ, उस दिन मैं सुबह यहाँ पर आया था जब विंटेज कार्स का वो था, बिकॉज़ मैं खुद गाड़ियों का शौक़ रखता हूँ, विंटेज नहीं बट जनरली गाड़ियों का शौक़ रखता हूँ। लेकिन ऐसी गाड़ियाँ देखकर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि एक हिस्ट्री होती है। मैं काफ़ी पढ़ता भी हूँ गाड़ियों के बारे में, हाउ सर्टेन ब्रांड स्टार्टेड और ये वो, तो वो सारी ब्रांड्स की पुरानी गाड़ियाँ, मतलब 1950 की भी गाड़ियाँ यहाँ पर देखने को मिली। तो आई थिंक इट वाज़ वेरी कूल बिकॉज़ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस। मोटरसाइकिल्स जिसका मुझे इतना ज़्यादा शौक़ नहीं है, लेकिन मतलब एक से एक बाइक्स, एक से एक गाड़ियाँ, कुछ मतलब गाड़ी देख के लगता ही नहीं है कि भाई ये सड़क पे चल भी सकती है, बिकॉज दे आर सो लो। मतलब हमारे स्पीड ब्रेकर पे गाड़ी अटक जाएगी, वो सीसॉ हो जाएगी। मतलब ऐसी गाड़ियाँ भी यहाँ पर थी, देख के बड़ा मज़ा आया।
सर, आज पब्लिक के साथ कैसा मजा आया? आपने डायरेक्ट मतलब उनको सिखाया कैसे एक्टिंग की जाती है,
नहीं, मैंने इसीलिए मैंने शुरुआत में ही कह दिया था, इसको एक एक्टिंग मास्टर क्लास कह रहे हैं हम, लेकिन मैं आपको एक्टिंग सिखाने नहीं वाला। मैं आपको खाली बताने वाला हूँ कि मैं इस प्रोफेशन में कैसे आया और मेरे लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी हैं इस प्रोफेशन में रहने के लिए, जो अगर कोई एक्टिंग करना चाहे तो वो टिप्स वहाँ से पिकअप कर सकता है, यूज़ कर सकता है, उसके काम आ सकती हैं। वरना मैंने ऐसा कोई सिखाना शुरू नहीं किया। लेकिन बड़ा मज़ा आया, बिकॉज ऑडियंस जो होती है बड़ी रॉ होती है, इतने अच्छे अच्छे सवाल पूछते हैं, इतने इंटरेक्शन जो करते हैं वो इतने खूबसूरत से करते हैं। कम ब्रदर, दैट्स माय brother Amit Sharda. He is in the organizing committee of the Mumbai Fest.
Hi.
So it's a fantastic festival. As I was telling them कि मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मैं मुंबई में पला बड़ा हूँ और मुंबई के हर चीज़ को यहाँ पर रेप्लिकेट किया गया है, स्पेशली खाने को. Thank you for the खाना part, which is very important for me. But yeah, I've really enjoyed myself.
Amit, what do you have to say about the Mumbai Fest? Today is the finale and we had Kiku's master class, which is very rare to witness. What do you have to say about that?
So well, it's a great thing to have him on board, and family support is always important at a fest like this and at this level. He's been here all 3 days. He supported us inside out. He's been taking care of us with his views and his comments when we meet him back home. So it's great to know that family support is here in such a big way, and I'm looking forward to having him with the fest as long as we can and as far as we travel.
Yeah, but I mean, support is one thing, but the point is that it's so well and nicely conducted, this festival. There is no reason why anybody would want to not be a part of this. I mean, I'm lucky. Probably some of my friends who actually pushed, but my friends at shooting और ये वो सारे वक्त पे पहुंच नहीं पाए. मेरे काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स आए थे परसों, तो वो आके भी मतलब इट वॉज अ सरप्राइज फॉर देम कि अरे ये भी है, अरे ये भी है, ये भी है, अरे वाह ये 1950 की गाड़ी खड़ी है यहाँ पे, ये दिख रहा है, वो दिख रहा है. सो इफ़ अ पर्सन कम्स हियर, ही इज गोना रियली हैव अ बॉल. अब जो नहीं आए, यू मिस्ड इट, सॉरी.
Kiku, what do you have to say about next year for the Mumbai Fest? What season?
I think it will be bigger and larger. Big and large it already is, but I'm sure it will be bigger and larger because once people have experienced what is happening all around here, I'm sure they've had a ball of a time. Day before yesterday was Mika's performance. It was really, obviously Mika, you know, the way he goes, so he did. But the crowd really enjoyed themselves. I mean, I've come, I was there yesterday also, so I've come all 3 days, and I've seen how everyone who's here is having a great time. Now it's just that whoever's not come here does not know what's happening, but I'm sure the word of mouth is going to spread far and wide, which I am also going to talk a lot about it because I really had a gala time. So the next year will be bigger, larger, better.
Yes.
किकुर सर, जो डिशेस है यहाँ पे, बाहर से भी आप जाएंगे, जो आपका फेवरेट क्या होगा डिशेस, बाहर कहीं जाएंगे स्टेट में, अदर स्टेट में,
मतलब
जो डिशेस यहाँ पे
Food
लगाए खाने की,
dishes.
हाँ
तो कभी जाएंगे जो स्टेट के हैं, बाहर स्टेट के
हाँ
खाने की.
भाई, मैं तो कोई भी स्टेट में वैसे भी जाता हूँ तो सबसे पहले उनसे पता करता हूँ कि यहाँ की स्पेशलिटी क्या है, खाने में क्या होता है. मतलब अहमदाबाद गया तो वहाँ पर फिर गुजराती थाली मुझे खानी है. मैं किसी भी और जगह पर गया तो सबसे पहले खाने की जानकारी प्राप्त करता हूँ. और वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी काफ़ी भिन्न भिन्न टाइप का. एक ब्रदर ओनली मेड मी एट वन कुलचे छोले येस्टरडे. मतलब टू डाई फॉर कुलचे छोले, जो आपको प्रोबेबली अमृतसर और चंडीगढ़ में ही मिलेंगे. यहाँ पर बम्बई में मिलने मुश्किल हैं. जो इन्होंने कल मुझे खिलाए, जो एक अंकल जी हैं जिनका भी वो स्टॉल है, मिस्टर तलवार के कुलचे छोले प्लीज़ खाइए, बहुत मज़ा आ गया मुझे. तो पिज़्ज़ास बर्गर्स तो मैं भाई खाता आया हूँ, वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये जो अलग अलग टाइप के जो खाने यहाँ पर हैं, वो मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा अट्रैक्शन है.
थैंक यू.
Right.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
इधर रख दो.
हो गया तेरा बिजनेस.
सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे मुंबई फेस्ट में? आपका अभी परफॉर्मेंस हुआ, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
नहीं, एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत अच्छा रहा. इट्स सच ए ह्यूज, वी आर एज अ क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियन. हिंदी में बोलूँ, इंग्लिश में बोलूँ?
जो आपको
अच्छा. आप क्या बोलते हैं, हिंदी में बोलना है, इंग्लिश में बात करो तो ठीक है ना?
ठीक है।
नहीं, मैं my point is that it's such a nice ambience, open air concert, and such a huge MMRDA ground which has been used as a venue for this festival. And for me, this was the first time, but the arrangements looks very nice. And I wish we had like little longer time, though we are constrained by time. But I think whatever it has happened, I have enjoyed performing on this such a stage.
Festival in Mumbai and different kind of concept is here.
Yeah.
So what do you want to say about this?
No, it's. I mean, I appreciate that you want to bring, because this is the way you can bring in people from different. Otherwise in India, everybody has their own way of going in their life with this all religions and all that, which I think this brings a human element, and all people are from different religions can come together and enjoy this kind of festival. So I think in a way it is a direct contribution to the society, and I think society can learn from this and remain in harmony, because music is the best language for humankind. So I think this Mumbai Fest organization, I think it's a wonderful idea. As I said, it can bring all kinds of people together, and I think that is what our achievement should be. Everybody should live in peace. It is a need of the hour today.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Sir, what do you want to say about the Mumbai Fest?
It's a great honor to play here in Mumbai Festival. I accompanied Pandit Satish Vyas ji just now. It's a great atmosphere, and जो भी यहाँ पे सब stalls और ये जो माहौल सब तैयार किया है, one of the best I can say. और जैसे कि सब अलग अलग प्रकार का म्यूज़िक यहाँ पे रखा है, उसमें क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक भी रखा है, तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जो हमारी संस्कृति है, जो हमारी धरोहर है, वो साथ लेके सब लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. सब यहाँ पे बहुत यंगस्टर ऑडियंस है, ये सब देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा, यहाँ परफॉर्म करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Avinash, Agni band is performing at the Mumbai Fest. What do you have to say?
First, would like to welcome all of you on this day 3 of the Mumbai Fest. And as you all know, we have created this rock band night theme. Without Agni, which is an impossible thing, and you all know there is a Mumbai in me, that's the theme of Mumbai Fest, and that's what we have discussed with them, and that's what they are supporting here to the Mumbai Fest.
Mumbai Fest performance today, everybody's full on anticipation. What do you have to say?
We're going to have a blast on stage. We saw the stage today, and we did sound check. It's a fantastic venue. It's superbly organized, and we are looking forward to go out and play. That's what we do for our livelihood, and that's what we do for love. So that's what we're going to do.
So what's special? What are the highlights today? What do we expect?
Oh, the production is beautiful. The stage is fantastic. And the scale of the entire show, I was into production, so I understand how difficult it is to set up something so beautiful. And there is a personal touch with the organizers are really looking after us very well. And we're feeling at home because this is Mumbai. Mumbai is our hometown, and we are loving being here. So yeah, it's great. We are looking forward to the show.
So big production helps big sounds. So today will be fun.
Talking about the spirit of Mumbai, as you mentioned, what do we see? What is Mumbaikar all about? If you have to really be the core spirit of Mumbai.
I'm a Tamilian from Calcutta who's shifted to Mumbai in 1999. But I think the thing that I identify with most is Mumbai. I love Calcutta, but I think Mumbai as a city is unparalleled in terms of the way people can be of the utmost help to you and still stay out of your lives when you need them to. It's the most chilled out city. It's impossible to live anywhere after this.
Yeah, they're the most non-judgmental people, I think.
Absolutely.
And they'll never meddle in your lives, and it's always going to be, your neighbors are never going to bother you. And you can do...
When we met the first day, we became friends. And this is the second day we're meeting actually. We've spoken a couple of times, but I know both of us had the same feeling that this feels like it's going to be a friendship for a while. The show and all that, the conversation finished in about 15 minutes, and we spent what, 2 hours having chat. Generally just chilling out. It is that easy in Bombay. It's a city that lives on gut feel. Mumbai. It's a city that lives on gut feel, and I love that about the city. It's a lot of heart.
Avinash, the anticipation around Agni's band today, we've got brilliant turnout and amazing anticipation. What do you have to say?
I just want to say, let's go and hit it hard. The whole crowd is waiting. Let's do it right now.
Yeah, let's play.
Thank you.
Thank you.
विजुअल्स लेते हैं
मेरा पेट नहीं आना चाहिए.
हाँ, उसको बाद में क्रॉप.
हाँ,
वो हम लोग क्रॉप करेंगे.